Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a sales training program with AT&T, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the goals of your sales training program. Identify the specific skills and knowledge that your sales team needs to succeed. Research best practices in sales training used by industry leaders, including AT&T. Gather feedback from your current sales team to understand their challenges and needs. Develop a comprehensive training curriculum that covers product knowledge, sales techniques, and customer engagements. Incorporate various training methods, such as workshops, e-learning, and role-playing scenarios. Set a timeline for the rollout of the training program, including milestones for assessment and adjustment. Select qualified trainers or consider external experts from AT&T or similar companies. Create engaging training materials, including presentations, handouts, and interactive components. Implement the training program and ensure all team members participate actively. Monitor progress through assessments, quizzes, and real-world application of skills. Collect feedback after each training session to identify areas for improvement. Adjust the program content based on team performance and new industry developments. Encourage a culture of continuous learning with ongoing training and resources. Evaluate the overall effectiveness of the program through sales performance metrics. Make revisions as necessary to ensure the program remains relevant and effective. Celebrate successes and recognize improvements in team performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.